Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay your Xfinity bill online. So, first you need to just go ahead and sign into your account using your Xfinity ID and password. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner and then select billing from the drop down menu. And here you want to go ahead and click on make a payment. So if you have Xfinity Mobile, you need to click bill details first. Now here, what you need to do is choose a current balance or pay another amount. Okay, so you can either pay the complete amount, right, whatever your current balance is, or you can pay another specific amount you want to go ahead and put in, right? And you can then select a payment date from the calendar if applicable. Okay, here. And guys, in this page, they will ask you to select a saved payment method, right? And if you don't have one, you can just click on this one to add a new credit or debit card. And then click on continue once you have chosen your payment method. Okay. And in this page, you will be reviewing your payment. And once you are happy with this, just go ahead and click on a submit payment. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.